Okay, I've done this video once already and didn't realize the welder was running, so there's this god-awful humming noise in the background, so I thought, well, I better do it again. And while I'm doing this, I'm just going to flip the camera around and you can see an 8-foot model, and we've got a 4-foot model. So this is creep feed panel. It's a new design. Goes away from the pins, the adjustable pins that you move. Ours was 2-inch increments, but this makes it pretty well infinitely adjustable to what you want to set it at. So I'm going to try and flip this camera, and that didn't work. Well, we'll go this way. So that right there, well, get that centered. There we go. Is an 8-foot panel with a creep feed gate in it. Now, the one we're going to show here right now is the 4-foot. The bars are set up. Right now it's closed. There's a set screw here that locks it in position. I'm using an impact. You can use a wrench, a pair of pliers, vice grips, whatever. So now it's adjustable and it just slides. So we put them 8 inches on center. I don't think you're ever going to have it that big. Maybe you will if you've got it where you want some feeder lambs and they're running with some ewes for some reason or whatever. But what I found is 4 to 5 inches wide, adequate for kids and lambs to get through. And as they grow, you can increase that a little bit, half an inch or an inch at a time, make it a little bigger as you go bigger. So it's set there. You want it locked in that position. Come back, tighten that set screw, and it locks it there. We're throwing a roller on a bottom horizontal bar that is just a height adjustable bar, so that you might have, I know I've got some does that are not as big body and on a 6-inch opening, and if there was no bar there to stop them, they'd figure out how to crawl through it. We put the second bar above, whether you need it or not. My thoughts were those same does, if it's open wide enough, they may attempt to jump through there. So it's just more of a visual stop bar for them more than anything. But that's the new design. It slides like a curtain does, and as you slide it, it makes the opening bigger or smaller. The 4-foot standalone creep panel will retail at $200. Of course, these aren't painted yet. You can get it painted, unpainted, that's your choice. And the 8-foot retails at $300. That's painted. Unpainted, you get it for $275. And on that one, you get it for $180.